Hello children, in the wave optics, in this lecture we will discuss the laws of reflection on the basis of Huygens principle. According to laws of reflection, angle I is equal to angle R. We have to prove this. Let this is a plane mirror, M dash, and this is incident ray of light. This is point A. This is reflected ray of light. This is angle of incidence I, angle of reflection R. This is another incident ray of light. And this is AB. This is the wavefront AB. This is point C. It get reflected, angle of incidence I, angle of reflection R. Let T is the time taken to reach the light from point B to point C. So we can write here BC. Now we can write V is velocity. So BC is equal to V into T. And this velocity is the light of wave in a space, which is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Now, taking Vt as radius, now draw the circle from point A as a center, like this. Now, from the point C, draw tangent on the circle. Now we can draw the tangent like this. This is point D. This is angle of 90 degree. Here, this is also angle of 90 degree. In triangle ABC, this is angle I. In triangle ADC, this is angle R. Now from here, we can write in triangle ABC, sin I is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is BC upon hypotenuse AC. So we can write here BC is equal to AC sin I. In triangle ADC, sin R is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is AD, hypotenuse is AC. So we can write here AD is equal to AC sin R. Now BC and AD both are equal. They are equal to VT. So the value of BC, AC sin I, value of AD is equal to AC sin R. So we can write here AC sin I is equal to AC sin R. it will be cancelled, sin I is equal to sin R, or we can write angle I is equal to angle R. So we have proved according to laws of reflection, angle I is equal to angle R. So with the help of Huygens principle, we can prove angle I is equal to angle R.